Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to this video. Today we're out here at Paula and riding again.
I'll get on.
Training and let's go.
I think the trick used to be everyone used to go to Florida and train, and it's weird. It's kind of everything switched to California now for Star Yamaha wins everything. So what are you gonna say? Like, they all train together. The program they do, I think, is they do right because they put their whole team together and they all ride together. A lot of the other teams split up, and I don't think that's right. I think it's right. You gotta. Everyone in Supercross kind of rides together, but I think every time they ride, a team needs to train together. The best football teams in the world are in America. They all train together. They don't train separately. All teams train together. So to me, I think that's the key to winning, and these dudes have figured it out. It's pretty cool seeing McElrath on a Yamaha. It's different, you know, whether that's cool or not. It's just cool to see dudes kind of swapping different teams and to see what success will come, you know. So it's pretty cool. And we get to see all this before everyone else because they all ride at our tracks out here. Like you see Shane. I'm gonna see. We're probably one of the first ones to get to see this. Where most guys won't see it until the first Supercross. I watched the Motocross of Nations and I thought it was cool, you know. Unfortunately, once again, it's a mutter. I think without the mutter, they were doing good. There was a chance they could have done pretty well, like at least a podium. They had a chance to win. I mean, the guys, I think once it rained, the Euros just have the advantage, and it is what it is because they race in that all the time. But I give the guys credit for going over there and making it happen, you know. Like, they went over there and gave it their all, and got a lot more respect for Cooper now. And I've always respected Anderson and Osborne, but I think like I said, I think they gained a lot of respect with the fans doing what they did. So pretty prestigious deal to go over there and do that. And hopefully one day Hayden will be able to do that. That'd be cool. Is it rocky?
Yeah.
Looks pretty smooth. I mean, the Star guys are out there, the Husky guys. It's the thing about California, all the facts. That's good. Is that good? All the factory guys train here, so it's good because you get to see the technique, the riding styles, the flow. You get to ride with the best guys in the world here, so kind of can take that for granted sometimes, you know. It's the best place to train, really. Star Yamaha trains here and they win everything, so.
I'm telling you guys to open up, it's a soft spot, so try not to let yourself sink into that. If you guys go and plunge into it, you want to set up and be light through it when you pivot off of that, right? So we're squeezing. Most of the time you guys aren't even hardly throwing your leg. So it's pretty good. And I thought, hey, when you hit this low line, it's pretty good.
Yeah, you can clear the double wings.
Are you getting over it?
Today, and basically we just have futures coming up. We got to get ready, just training so we can stay in shape.
What are you guys working on today, do you know?
Few sections, some short things, he said. That's all I know.
85, right?
Yeah, 85.
How's the 85 feel compared to your Super Mini?
Slow.
We're getting ready to make another transition here soon. McElrath's gear looks sick, all white with the blue bike. Watch, he's gonna start winning, dude. You know? I tell you, the team's good.
And McElrath's fast, he's fast.
Yeah. Yeah, that's better than it was.
Out here at Paula, another training day with Nathan Ramsey. Overall went pretty good, better than the last training video or last time I trained. I'm getting more progress and it's been good so far. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, and get the merch. See ya.